Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel. It's Life as Mona B. All my birthday vlogs will be coming up on there very soon, so make sure you guys watch that or subscribe to that channel. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at MonaXBanks. Y'all, I can't even focus because I'm so anxious to tell y'all about what the heck is going on. I know y'all read the title and y'all like, Mona, what? You literally just put these braids in your hair. Like, when did I do these braids? I literally did these braids on, let me give y'all a date. Let me give y'all a date. Started these braids Wednesday the 2nd, finished them on Thursday the 3rd, and I'm now taking them out on September 9th, the day after my birthday. My birthday was yesterday, you guys. I had a really amazing birthday weekend. It was really, really fun. I had a blast. Hence why my energy is probably a little low. I'm tired. I've been screaming all weekend, you guys. I've been running, busy, turning up, partying. I had an amazing time. Virgo season, so shout out to all my Virgos. But yes, so I'm wearing this white top because this has been literally the braiding hair from hell. Like, honestly, I will never use this braiding hair again. And it's so crazy because when I was braiding, doing my hair, I really was liking this hair. Like, the color is beautiful, the texture is beautiful. I love it. But it is the braiding hair from hell. It literally sheds like no other. I've never had braiding hair that shed this bad. The hair that I used was the Epic Layer YAKI 3X pre-stretch braided hair. This is the hair I use. I'm going to put the video of me showing y'all my braids in the description box. Check out the video on these braids. I only could wear these braids in a bun. Like, when I did wear them down, the first day that I wore them down when y'all see me film the video, I thought that the hair was coming from when I trimmed up the braids. I thought that's where the shedding was from. Because, you know, when you trim up the braids, you might still have a little bit of the hair that's still, like, stuck or intertwined into the braids. Y'all know. So then the next day I went to Sugar Factory and stuff for my birthday. And while I was there, I was like noticing, well, before I got there, when I just got there though, I was noticing that hair was all over me. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Y'all, shedding like crazy. I wore it down when I went to the beach and I took pictures on the beach. Y'all, literally all over my body. So the rest of the weekend, the rest of my birthday weekend, I had to literally wear my hair in a bun. Like this. Like, I had to wear a bun. I couldn't even wear them down. And I'm just done with it. Even with them being in a bun, I still get some strands on my shirt. You guys probably, once I take the bun out, y'all gonna see, I put trash bags down so you guys could see. So I'm gonna take the bun out. Y'all, it's literally about to shed everywhere. Like, this is insane. So I'm gonna take these braids out. And just like as I'm taking these braids out, there's hair everywhere. I can't put up with this. Like, I cannot even believe this. Like, here I am thinking it's because I trimmed up the hair. I done got my hair braided so much, you guys, over the years by like African braiders, things like that. And they trim up my hair. And I ain't never had no braiding hair ever do this to me. Like, this is insane. Okay, so now that I took the braids out, I'm about to bring the camera down and show y'all. Because this is insane. Focus, camera. Focus. Now imagine all of this being all over your body. And it's pokey and itchy. Like, all over my leg. Don't buy this braiding hair, you guys. Like, they need to take this off the market. Look at this. And it just keeps on shedding. It does not stop. Like, I have never in my life. Just from me taking out this bun, you guys. It's all over my shirt. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it on my shirt because my shirt has like the different colors on it. Y'all see. I cannot make this up. Like, this is literally the braiding hair from hell. Like, the Epic, if y'all see this video, y'all need to go back to the drawing board. The texture is nice, the color is beautiful, but the shedding is like beyond me. Like, I've never, ever experienced braiding hair like this. Y'all need to figure that out. This is insane. Like, literally insane, you guys. And it's crazy because now that I look back on it, when I was braiding my hair, I did have little pieces all over my shirt, but I literally was just thinking it was from me trimming up the braids. You guys know it was literally shedding. Like, imagine this being all over your body. Unacceptable. Epic. Unacceptable. I cannot believe y'all are even selling this. But y'all wrong. So y'all have to let me know. That's why I wanted to come on here and tell y'all. I hope y'all did not buy this hair. Please. Like, I really, truly hope that y'all did not go out and buy this hair. And I'm sorry to anybody that did. I know y'all get recommendations from me. But I really, truly did not know that this hair was going to be this bad. If I hadn't known that, I would have definitely bought some new hair for my birthday. So I literally wore my hair in a bun all weekend. Except for the first 2 days. Because I'm just thinking it's still shedding from when I trimmed it up. Like, this hair has been horrid, you guys. And I literally didn't even have them in. Well, I guess today made a week. I only had these in a week. Literally. 1 week. Now imagine if I had took this hair, paid somebody to braid my hair. Y'all know how upset I would have been? Epic. Y'all wrong. Y'all did wrong for this. Y'all are wrong for this. Wrong. Like, no ma'am. Did y'all did you guys even test this out on anybody? Or did you know, and I'm still, wait, let me put this right here, you guys. Hold on. Y'all, it's all over my face. And then here I am. Excuse me, I have to put my mirror. Here I am trying to give you guys, Epic, y'all the benefit of the doubt. I'm like, no, maybe this is just a bad batch. No, because mine look exactly how it looked on that picture. And this is unacceptable. And I had plans for these braids. Like, I was going to do some styling tutorials. I can't even bring myself to do none. Well, y'all just seen me sit here and cut the braids now. But I couldn't even bring myself to do the styling tutorial because of how much excessive hair is just like all over me. Oh my gosh. This hair has been a nightmare. I love my braids. But I'm like trying to figure out like what would make this shed like this. Like, what? This is the type of hair that'll make you just not even want to take the braids out and just cut your hair off, honestly. I'm not gonna do that, but oh my gosh. And I can only shower to get it off. Like, that's the only way it comes off my skin. Look at this, you guys. It's all on my leg. That is crazy. Imagine it's on your body. So you guys, I'm literally about to sit here and take this hair out. And I will come back once I'm almost done and show y'all. I got the hair out, as you guys can see. Normally when I take out braids, I wouldn't wash my hair until the next day because I'd be trying to give my scalp some time to recuperate. But I have to wash my hair because literally the little strands of hair is like all in my hair. You're probably not gonna be able to see it, but it's definitely in there. But I'm about to show y'all this, like how much hair is on this trash bag, and like it's literally all over my shirt. I don't know if I can see it that good, but look at my shirt, all over it. This is all the shed hair. Like if I swipe it up, It just gathers. It just gathers all together. Like, this is insane. Like, oh my gosh. Crazy. That being said, that is the end. I'm going to wash my hair and get it together. Because at this point, I'm done. On my sports bra. Y'all, this is crazy. I'm about to vacuum up my floor. So yeah, epic. Y'all canceled in my book. And I'm disappointed in y'all. Because that was wrong. I ain't never in my life. Like, what? I just wanted to show y'all, like, I'm going through my hair, like, twisting my hair. And I washed it and everything. But look at the hair on my hand. I had to come back and show y'all this. Like, this is the hair from hell. Literally. And I washed my hair 4 times in the shower. Y'all excuse my background because I'm actually redoing my studio. So that's why it's kind of looking crazy. But I literally shampooed my hair 4 times. And when I have braids and stuff like that, I don't really like to shampoo my hair that much. Like, I wait a few days after because I have a really sensitive scalp. And it's like I already had to wash my hair right after taking those out, which I don't like to do. Then on top of that, yeah, I washed my hair 4 times and it's still coming out in my hair. And when I rinsed my hair out the first time with the shampoo, you guys, the water was black, full of little specks of hair. Like, this is unacceptable. I'm like highly disappointed because I've never had no braiding hair like this. So I know what y'all thinking. Then what are you going to do to your hair? Well, I'm going to twist my hair. As you guys can see, I'm not putting no perfect twist in it, but I'm going to twist my hair back, flat twist it back, and I'm going to leave these in for like a day. Let my scalp kind of recuperate. And then I'm going to wash my hair another 4 times. So in hopes that all of this comes out. Because look, at this point, if this about to be shedding into my hair, I'm going to want to just cut my hair off. Because this is horrible. Like, this is really horrible. And I'm not about to waste my real good oil on my hair because I got to wash my hair out again tomorrow. But I really feel like that hair was toxic. Like, it had to be. Like, I've never experienced nothing like this before with hair. Like, it's all on my hands. That is insane. And it's even on my shirt. Like, it's still falling from my head. Epic. So y'all don't purchase that braiding hair. Like, I hope y'all did not purchase that braiding hair. Like, oh my gosh. I am so sorry to those of you that did. Hopefully you can return it. But it is a no. It's literally a no. Like, what? So now I have to wash my hair again. But yeah, that's all I wanted to come on back on and say. Like, horrible. Like, this is horrid. Literally horrid. So in a day or so, I'm going to take these twists out, wash my hair, and I'm going to come back and update you guys. So see y'all then. Bye.